Hello everyone, I am starting to prepare a series of lessons with this very first video. In this video, this lesson, we are going to learn the very basics of playing keyboard. We will first figure out the names and patterns of the keys. You can see there are many keys. Let's talk about the patterns. There are two types of keys, white and black. White are situated downside, black are upside. The blacks are few and situated between the whites. It makes it very easy to figure out the positions of the keys. It is very important to understand why this color differentiation is there. Why some keys are black, why some keys are white. Imagine for a while that every key on a keyboard is of same color. If every key is black, how would you recognize? From where you have to start? Suppose if I have to start from here, I can figure out that this key is located after a bunch of 3 black keys and before 2. Okay, I can figure out the position. But if all the keys were of the same color, how would I recognize? So this is very easy to understand why the color differentiation is given on the keyboard. I hope you understand that. Let's learn about the name of the keys. Okay. We will start from the very first key. Before these 2 black keys, there is a white key, is named C. It's called C. Okay. Then comes the next key. Okay. It is called D. Between 2 blacks. Okay. It is located between 2 black keys. Then next key is E. Then after E, F. Then G. It goes in the same alphabetical sequence. Okay. But after that the sequence breaks and the first key of the sequence comes. Okay. After G comes A. Okay. A, the first alphabetical letter. Then after A, B. Then again C. Okay. We have seen it here. This sequence from C to B repeats. Here also again we can see this key is named C. Okay. So you can figure out the sequence from C to B repeats again and again. Here also C to B. Okay. And it goes on. One important thing you need to remember is when the C comes for the second time, it is the first time we have here our first key C, but it comes here for the second time. So for the second time when it comes, we write 2 after it and we call it C2. But here for the first time we'll call it C1. Okay, to recognize it easily. If we call it C1, if we call it C2, then this key when C comes for the third time, we will call it C3. When it comes for the fourth time, it will call C4, and it will be followed as same. Okay. I hope you get it, and it goes. Okay. This rule is applicable for each and every key. Okay. Suppose we take this one. Okay, it is D. After C comes D, so it will be called D1, D2. Okay. E, so it will be called E1, E2, E3, E4, like this. Okay, you can figure out by your own now. Okay, now let's see the names of the black keys. We have already learned the We have already learned about the white keys. Now we will learn about the black keys. Okay, we'll start from the very first key, very first black key. It is here. There is a pattern of 2 black and 3 black. Okay, and therefore the first black key comes after C. It was C. We have already learned it. Now the very first black key comes after C is called C sharp. It is called C sharp. The black key comes after D. This is D, and the second black key. Okay, it comes after D, so it will be called D sharp. There is no black key after E. Okay, after E there is no black key. The black key come after F is called F sharp. This is F sharp. The black key comes after G is called G sharp. The black key comes after A is called A sharp. There is no black key after B. It is B. There is no black key. Then again comes C. The C sharp. Okay, this is called C sharp 1. This can be called C sharp 2. According to the rule we have learned previously. Okay. One important thing is to remember for you is there is no black key after E and B. Okay, this was C, D, E, but after E there is no black key. After B also there is no black key. So you need to remember these 2 keys. These are exception, and all other keys have a black key with them. So that's it. We have learned all the basic information about keys, names, the positions, the patterns also. In the next lesson we will learn about the music notes, aka swaras, and we will learn how to play them. We will end our lesson, we will end this video with a hand exercise. In this we will use all 5 fingers of our hands and play 5 keys from C to G. We will start this exercise with C3. Here it is. Okay, it was C1, C2, then C3. C comes for 3rd time. So we will start from C3. Remember, we have to use all the 5 fingers to play the said 5 notes. Okay, first let's see how to play with the right hand. And we will start with thumb. Okay, here we will place our hands first on the 5 keys, our 5 fingers on the 5 keys. Okay, like this. Okay, this is C. Okay, before the 2 blacks. And remember, your hand should be in the right position, like this. It should not be like this, like this. Okay, it should be straight and it should be in the curve. Okay, like this. So remember the right position, and from the right hand you have to start with the thumb. Remember this. Okay, now let's see how to play. Okay, we have played all the 5 notes. Now we will return. Okay, when you are able to play these 5 notes, to go and return to the same key, C3. Okay, from where we have started. Now we'll play it on a repeat. How we'll play, let's figure out. You can practice right now with me to figure out if you are playing in the right manner or not, if your hands are in the right position or not. check through video. You have to play it in a particular rhythm. Remember, your speed should not slow, or your speed should not be fast. It should be in the same rhythm in which you have started. Okay, now let's see it from the left hand. Okay, so we have to start from the last finger. From the right hand we have started from the thumb, but for the left hand we will start from the left side. Okay, from here. So we will place our hand, and you can check your position. It should be in the right gesture. Okay, now let's see how we'll play. Practice it and check if your hand is in the right position or not. That's it. You have learned how to play with both hands. Practice with both hands individually for 20 to 30 times at once. When you have learned with each hand to play individually, try to play with both hands now. Okay, we can try. We will place our fingers first on the keys. In beginning, you may have some problems to play with both hands together. One hand might not follow other hand, so that's not a big problem. You can solve it with practice. Practice is solution of every problem. So here we are. Here we have to practice. Okay, let's try it with both hands. Let's start. Start in a slow pace, slow rhythm, so that you can play easily. We can even play slow, okay? Slower than that. Let's see. In beginning, we need not to hurry because it can spoil the practice and it can hamper your learning. Just follow with a slow pace and you will learn fast. It's a wonderful thing that you play slow, but it helps you to learn fast, so it's vice versa. So you have learned to play it with both hands. Practice it 20 to 30 times whenever you sit for practice. That's it for this lesson. We will learn new things in next one. Till then, practice what we have learned in this lesson. Thank you for watching.